As part of a long-term measure to curb inflation, vegetable mandis will come up in all districts across Odisha, including Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. The information was shared by Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra after a crucial meeting with the traders held on Monday. The meeting with traders was convened to discuss various issues including rising price of commodities.
तुरंत मंडी खोलिया आम प्रतिश्रुति देचु एवं प्रत्येक जिले में गोटे गोटे मंडी करा मंडी को कृषक मान कह सब परियापत्र प्रडक्ट आने से बिक्री हम सब लोग जापर प्रकृत तार रेट केते अच्छी कई क्या बेसी ठकी पारे प्रत्येक दुकानी तार केमती रेट चार्ट लिखो सेगुड़ा आम विचार करूँ रेट को नियंत्रण करने पूरा योजना प्रस्तुत कर.
There are infrastructural issues and lack of mandis. According to the minister, some traders informed that the wholesale rate of several vegetables and other items are cheap. The rate increases when the product is sold via various sub-dealers and others, for which a consumer has to pay ₹50. The mandi system can eliminate the role of middlemen, he said. People will be encouraged to take up potato and onion cultivation despite Odisha having a favorable climatic conditions. The farmers are reluctant due to a lack of encouragement. Hence, a coordination meeting will be convened and plans will be made for setting up cold storages in the state, he added.